destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy. An enemy has...
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, heart impact. Past painful scars. In fact, I blast days for bars and pass. I back up my actions. Fact, don't ask. Grab reactions. Jacked attack with every word. Then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're discreet now. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen or repeat now and read out all the weak now. Get up and make a change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name,
like a soldier, I keep on moving forward.
An enemy has been slain.
Always getting closer.
You have been slain.
I march until it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless. While others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society is swing and miss. And honestly I get it, promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it, don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit, bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss, be a legend not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious, rapping honest as promise. Try to harness, as an artist stay modest. It's a long quest, I will not quit till 10,000 people going off when I drop this. I gotta make it now, swear to God I'm breaking out. Swear to God I'll think about stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud, saying modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt. Yeah.
I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's over. Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's over.
Team destroyed a turret. Double kill. An enemy has
I
been
keep on
slain.
moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's over.
Request backup.
And just like a soldier,
Request backup.
I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's
Request
over.
Initiate retreat. You have slain an enemy. Launch initiate retreat. Request backup.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm
Launch
breaking
attack.
down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my
An
heart's
enemy
faking
has
now.
been
Yeah, she
slain.
hates me now, made
Request
mistakes, but now
backup.
I don't ever wanna be
An
alone.
ally
I don't really
has
ever
slain
feel at
the
home.
turtle.
On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help.
Our
I don't wanna
turret
be
has
left
been
on the
destroyed.
shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside.
An enemy has been slain.
I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm alright.
Mega kill. Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Our turret has been destroyed. You
break down. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be
Mega
damned.
kill.
Planet on the ground is where I stand.
Request
Never give up,
backup.
that was always the plan.
It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside,
Unstoppable!
I'm alone, I'm alright.
Lord resurrecting soon. Double kill. Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret. Godlike. You have been slain. Initiate retreat. Unstoppable. Double kill. Triple kill. Maniacs.
Wiped out.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act.